Guys, I'm down here today on the beach in Brean Sands, Somerset, with the lovely Cara and the lovely Simon.
Lovely.
Yeah? We're from Unity Farm, and we just acquired the small park over the road called Bright Homes, which Cara used to own. So Cara and Simon are going to tell me all about the beach, and I was born in West Wales in Tenby, so they're going to tell me all about this lovely park. And this park, if you look at the path at the top here, has a direct access from the park onto the beach, just down past the sand dunes. So, Cara, can I ask you, what's the benefit of this beach? It is beautiful.
So this is probably the best part of Brean Beach. It's a little bit of a quieter part of Brean Beach. You've got direct access obviously from Bright Home. They've been personally providing family holidays since the 1950s. So it's a really nice authentic feel.
How long was that? How long was that?
That's 75 years.
Something years, yes.
Come on, let's walk down a bit then.
And this beach is dog friendly 12 months of the year, which I do believe is quite unique to the UK.
12 months a year, you can have your dog on the beach?
Yes.
I mean, they can run wild down here, right? There are 7 miles of sand where kids, dogs, parents can just go crazy. It's a fantastic place to be.
This part of the beach as well, it has a particularly high number of sand dunes, which I think gives it a super nice feel.
I think it protects the park as well from the wind, from the elements.
Yeah.
So it knocks that wind out. It means that you can have kind of beautiful sunsets, less wind. Beautiful place to be.
So we're in the winter now, and it's absolutely stunning. Look at the sky over there, guys. So this is not far from Burnham-on-Sea. 20 minutes?
Yeah.
20 minutes, and right at the end there, you can see that big hill. That's called Brean Down. Just the other side of there, that's Weston-super-Mare.
Wow, just over there.
Just across the side of that hillside.
I love Weston-super-Mare. I love going to Nando's.
Well, you've got the Grand Pier as well, all the fun stuff going on. There's loads going on in Weston. Loads.
Really nice restaurants and bars.
This is absolutely stunning. Where do they park the cars sometimes on the beach?
So there is a car park entrance just down there to the left, what, 100 yards now?
I was down there the other day.
Park their cars on the beach. At the beach entrance there's a bar called the Sundowner.
Sundowner,
So you can watch the sunset behind glass with a gin and tonic or whatever you're drinking, enjoy the sunset at the beach.
I can't believe they let the dogs on 12 months a year, which I think is sensational. Because in lockdown, right, a lot of families acquired a dog.
They did.
3 out of 10 families got a dog.
Is that right? 3 out of 10?
Yeah, because obviously they wanted to go walking, there wasn't much to do.
And of course, dog owners are particularly drawn to caravan holidays and caravan ownership because they can bring their furry creatures along with them. So 12 months of access is ideal.
I mean, nobody wants to leave their dogs at home, do they?
No.
Well, the good thing about Bright Homes Caravan Park, which is part of the Unity family, is they've got fences. And did you say that's the only park?
I believe so. The only park in Brean, it used to be Unity and Bright Home were the 2 only parks in Brean that allowed fencing and private gardens. So, and we always allowed that because it made sense to us. We had a lot of families that had a dog, hence they chose caravan in Brean, being a dog-friendly beach for 12 months of the year. So it made sense for us to allow people to create a safe space for their dogs. So often you'll find they put skirting around the bottom of the caravan, put some nice fencing up and create their own kind of personal garden.
So what's the name, before we go any further, because I don't want to forget this point's really important, what's the name of the restaurant that's on Breakers and they do entertainment
Breakers
there?
Bar, yeah.
Breakers
Bar.
Breakers Bar.
They do
The
entertainment.
food is knockout. Absolute knockout. Award-winning.
Yeah, Kev the chef, he's been at Breakers for, I believe now it's got to be 16 years.
16 years?
Yeah.
A chef?
Yeah, Breakers has been consistently #1 on TripAdvisor for as long as I can remember, since we first went on TripAdvisor. And the food is all homemade by Kev, locally sourced produce, award-winning faggots.
Hey, I love the, because I got a big belly, I love the pies.
The pie, the steak and ale pie.
Oh.
Do you know, no one's able to answer this before for me.
Okay.
Because I've never been with so many nice local people. But there's a rock over there. Is that Ayers Rock?
No. So Uluru, Ayers Rock, is about, what, 15,000 miles away?
Yeah.
That's not Ayers Rock.
No.
What
So
is that?
What you've got out there, and to be fair, I'm just being distracted by the sound of the sea. There's something really soothing. It just chills me out.
It's magical, isn't it?
But you've got 2 rocks there. The first one, the steeper one, is called Steep Holm.
Steep what?
Steep Holm.
Hence the name Brightholme.
And the smaller one with a lighthouse on it in the distance is called Flatholme, for obvious reasons. Steepholme used to have a monastery on there,
Yes.
and now you can visit in the summer. You can get a boat from Weston-super-Mare called the Puffing Billy, right? And it'll take you across the Steepholme. You can spend the day there. It's a national wildlife reserve. It is a stunning place to be, and a whole different perspective of this coastline.
You two are magical with information.
I grew up here, and so did Cara.
Sorry.
My grandparents took inspiration from Flatholme and Steepholme in the name of Brightholme.
Did they?
Yes.
Did they really?
That makes sense.
How long were your grandparents owners of the park?
Since it existed.
No chance.
My granddad's mother bought the land in the 50s and they developed it then.
Wow, that's incredible.
Yeah, from post-war to now.
Wow, I'm so proud to meet you.
75 years.
How long?
75 years.
So, just before we go too far, there's God's country over there, Wales, is it?
Damn right.
So, let me know, is that Cardiff over there, Newport, Swansea and all, what would it be over there?
Yeah.
Because on a nice day you can see it, can you? Yeah?
I think it'd be nice to take the viewers to Brean down at some point, and we'll walk them through that. That is a fantastic walk on any day.
Maybe on a time lapse.
Maybe a time lapse.
What's the time lapse?
Well, we'll show
Sped
the
up video.
A what?
Sped up video.
A spreader?
A sped up, yeah.
We'll show the journey in about 5 minutes instead of an hour and 45 minutes, which is what the walk will take you.
Yeah.
It's about, what, 3 miles there and back to the end?
Yeah.
What's the fishing like here?
The fishing here is knockout. In the winter at the moment, it's cod season, so people are catching cod off this beach. You have to be very careful. The tide is quick and it comes up fast. So make sure you're constantly moving back with your fishing gear, but you will catch cod here, you will catch rays here, you will catch conger eels here, and in the summer, you'll be dragging sea bass out of there and cooking it on your barbecue.
Bloody hell.
Absolutely.
That's incredible.
This beach is famous for fishing. It's a great place to fish.
It looks quite long, this beach.
7 miles.
7 miles?
It's on that rock, right the way into Burnham-on-Sea.
Down
7
there.
miles.
Wow. Guys, if the camera's moving a bit, my hand's shaking because it's freezing. Yeah? And I like being in the warm. But listen, guys, what a lovely thing to do, isn't it? To show you around this beautiful beach. What I'm going to do, guys, make sure you subscribe. Put a link in it. If you want to hook up these two guys, yeah?
Simon and Cara.
Simon and the lovely Cara. Cara and Simon work in the sales office, and they'll give you any information you want regarding static caravans. And if you want any information and you want to come down here and spend lovely memories on the beach, you're going to enjoy it, guys. Don't forget, when you're buying a caravan, you're not buying it for a year, you're buying it for a long time to make lovely memories for you and your family. It's important that you enjoy it, yeah?
We don't just want to give you information about owning a caravan or a holiday home. You've got any questions about the local area, what to do, where to eat, who to speak to, who to meet, who your friends are, your neighbours are, whether you want a caravan, whether you want to go and visit somewhere else, come and speak to us, because we grew up here. We know this area like the backs of our hands, right?
How long have you lived here?
Very true.
Oh?
I was here all my life up until about 3 years ago.
Wow, that's amazing.
21 years.
Wow, don't tell me your age. And you've been here all your life?
Well, no, I live a bit away now, but I grew up here in Barrow, just down the road, to the age of about 22. I went off on my travels, and isn't it funny that you do full circle and you end up where you started?
Oh, Brean always pulls
It drags you back, right?
Why does it always pull you back? It's a bit like Tenby for me.
There's something about it.
It's a magical place.
The open spaces, the people, the environment, the views, it's fresh air. It's an opportunity to breathe and to relax.
The air here is absolutely sensational, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. And if you've got a dog, you're made, aren't you?
I mean, I am excited to be back here, without a doubt, and I know that everyone that comes down here will be equally excited.
It's an incredible place. I love it. And it's so close to Bristol.
What, you're about 40 minutes to Bristol?
Not long, is it?
Cribs Causeway, the malls, the shopping, the retail therapies. Second
An
to none.
hour into North Devon if you wanted to drive the other way.
Absolutely.
Barnstable, Westwood Ho, 60 minutes motorway.
Yep,
There.
dead easy.
Are we going up this hill, yeah?
So
This. Hang on, I can't hear you.
this is the beach entrance that will take us to Koto, and this is the beach entrance that will take us back to the minivan at Brightholme. Both
Let's go back to the minivan. It's
accessible
freezing.
to Brightholme customers though.
There you go.
Look at it, guys. I think it's sensational, Simon.
I mean, you haven't got to fill your car up with stuff and drive miles to get to the beach. You're literally grabbing a windbreak, grabbing a beach ball, and you are 5 minutes maximum to you enjoying the sand. It's quick, it's easy, and it's beautiful. Look around you. Look around.
So hook us up, guys, and then if you want to any information whatsoever about anything in the area, I think these two have got more experience between them, probably 50 years of experience
I would say.
in selling.
Yeah.
50 years?
Probably, yeah. That sounds terrible.
It does sound
but I think
terrible.
so.
But yeah, at least.
Got a lot of experience, yeah? And what you got is a lot of experience on this coastline, guys. A lot of experience. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hook Simon up. Make sure you hook Cara up. Anything you know, let us know. And listen, thanks for watching.
Give us a call, 012 78 751 602. Ask for us and we will look after you.
Hey, listen, we're going to leave you there now because my hands are going to drop off in the cold. Thanks for your time today.
Like it.
No problem.
Thanks for your time. Thanks for your time, Cara.
Thanks, guys.
See you guys.
soon.
Pleasure.
See you soon, guys.
Goodbye.